Hi, Duncan here again, and I'll be doing a frequently asked questions and statement video regarding Medicare supplements. There are a lot of misconceptions about Medicare supplements, and I hope this video will help clear up some of this. If you have a question that I don't address in this video, please leave me a question in the comments section, and I will get to your question as soon as possible. If this video helps you, can you do me a big favor? Can you like, comment, and share on the video? This helps more people find my free service that need my help. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. This will provide you with updates when I put out new important information. The first question I'd like to address is, will my doctor accept my Medicare supplement? Now, before I answer this, I need to make sure you understand the term original Medicare, many times just called Medicare. I like to use the term original Medicare because it is more descriptive than just Medicare, and it gets separated from Medicare Advantage. This question I'm addressing has nothing to do with Medicare Advantage. And if you have seen some of my other videos, you know that Medicare Advantage is literally a replacement for original Medicare. And as I always say, there isn't anything wrong with Medicare Advantage, but generally speaking, Medicare Advantage is more restrictive than original Medicare. You also need to know Medicare supplement plans are labeled A through N and are federally regulated under the same laws that regulate Medicare. Medicare Supplement is also called Medigap, and they supplement original Medicare, and they have nothing to do with Medicare Advantage. For any company to offer Plan A through N, including Plans F and G, and by the way, if you still have Plan F, you should probably be looking to change that to Plan G or N. Plan F is quite simply grossly overpriced in almost every case, and Plan G and N are our most popular options. You should contact your agent, and if you don't have one, give me a call, fill out our contact form, or send me an email. Getting back to the question, if a Medicare supplement company offers a Medicare supplement plan, then the Medicare supplement company must pay any provider that accepts original Medicare. This is why you hear Medicare supplement plans have no network. If you have original Medicare and have not replaced it with a Medicare Advantage plan, then you can go see any doctor, hospital, provider, etc. that accepts original Medicare across the country without any referrals. And when you see that provider, your Medicare supplement must pay the provider you see according to the letter plan benefits you purchased. Because I provide Medicare supplements in all 50 states, I have many clients that do a lot of traveling. They love that they can use their original Medicare and Medicare supplement the exact same way in their backyard as if they are traveling across the nation. This is different from Medicare Advantage because Medicare Advantage is privatized and Medicare Advantage can choose who they pay through networks. Next question is, can a company raise my rates or cancel me for filing too many claims? The quick answer is absolutely not, and this is illegal. Companies can't raise your rates based on your claims, and they certainly cannot cancel you based on your claims. Medicare supplements have a rule called guaranteed renewable. This means as long as you pay the premiums, they can never cancel you for any reason. A quick example, I got a lot of questions leading up to January 1st, 2020, when Plan F and Plan C Medicare supplements were no longer available for purchase for Medicare beneficiaries whose Medicare went into effect January 1st, 2020 or after. I got droves of calls from people panicking that someone called them and said their plan was being discontinued and they had to switch now. You know these calls if you got them from the overseas illegal telemarketers. They were being told their plan F or C was going to be taken away and they would have to re-qualify for a different Medicare supplement. The fact is, once you have purchased a Medicare supplement, and it doesn't matter what plan, it can never be taken from you as long as you pay the premiums. This is called guaranteed renewable. It states right on page 13 of the 2020 Medicare's official document titled Choosing a Medigap Policy, any standardized Medigap policy is guaranteed renewable even if you have health problems. This means the insurance company can't cancel your Medigap policy as long as you stay enrolled and pay the premium. I will try to leave a link so you can download your own in the description. Please leave me a comment if you can't find the link and I will send it to you. Now, a company may not accept you for coverage if you are outside of an open enrollment or guaranteed issue situation. But once they have agreed to accept you, they will not raise your rates based on your health or claims. In addition, they will not cancel you for health reasons either. Companies offering Medicare supplements or Medigap plans can raise rates. This is just a fact of life. But when they raise rates, they must be done for everyone with your plan, for everyone with your company, and within your state at an equal percentage. Sometimes the rate increase is 0. Sometimes it is 10%. I've even seen some increases with 20% or more. If a company wants a rate increase, they must submit the increase to your state Department of Insurance for approval, and it can only be a certain percentage of their overall claims ratio. Your specific claims will never be a direct cause of any increase in your Medicare supplement rate increase. Using an independent agent that is knowledgeable about company rate increases history, it's very important. Some companies like to entice you to get their supplement with a low rate in the beginning and only to raise it significantly as you get older. I have a video called 7 Facts Medicare Supplement Companies Don't Want You to Know. You may want to watch it. Look for the link in the description. Now, here's a statement I hear usually from the spouses of my clients. They say, I doubt I can get coverage because I have too many health issues. Or they will say, I can't get coverage because I have diabetes or take insulin or have COPD or my weight is too high or whatever the health condition is. They think they can't get coverage or get a better rate because they have health issues. And a huge percentage of the time, this is just simply not true. You will always want to check. Just because you were turned down by one company, it doesn't mean you will be turned down by all companies. All companies have different underwriting rules for acceptance. For example, some companies, they don't ask you if you take insulin. Some companies only ask you if you've had a heart attack or a stroke or cancer in the last 2 years. And some companies, they ask those same questions if they happen to have occurred in the last 5 years. Some don't ask your height and weight. They are all very different. Again, this is another reason it is probably a good idea to work with a knowledgeable independent Medicare agent. This is what my client Tony said about how I helped him. He was denied by multiple companies, and then he found me on the YouTube. I will paraphrase this for time, and you can see Tony's and other testimonials at MedicareTestimonials.com. Tony said, I contacted 3 different high-profile Medicare specialist agents that I found ads and videos for on YouTube and Facebook. The first one reviewed my condition and prescription medications and told me not to bother because I couldn't get coverage. The second agent took my information and sent it to a large Medicare supplement provider, and I received a denial letter within a week. The third one also took my information, and he said he'd review my situation with his providers and call me back with the best available options for me. He never called me, and I didn't receive any callbacks after leaving a couple of voicemail messages. I moved on and kept checking ads on videos on YouTube, Facebook, and came across one posted by Chris Duncan. Chris Duncan, that's me. Tony continues, Chris's video sparked my interest because he spoke about different ways to get approval from a Medicare supplement provider that I hadn't heard about. At this point, I had nothing to lose, so I completed the short online form and was called by Chris soon afterwards. This is what happened. He assured me right away that he knew his way around the Medicare insurance underwriting process. This was refreshing, and I must admit that I was very skeptical after 3 previous experiences. To wrap up, not only did Chris deliver as promised, he managed to get 2 providers that offered me the Plan G Medicare supplement I was wanting at the low rates offered to 2 new Medicare recipients or those without pre-existing conditions and prescriptions. Tony, I appreciate you writing that for me, and I know you'll probably see this video as you are a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Now, for clarification, I didn't use any guaranteed issue situations for Tony, and he certainly didn't have any open enrollment to get coverage. Tony was what we call fully underwritten. I was able to help Tony because Medicare and helping people is my passion. I know the underwriting guidelines for each company and knew which 2 companies of the dozens of companies that are available and that I represent that would give him the best chance of getting approval. And we were able to get Tony the plan that he wanted at the best price. This takes me to one of the other statements I hear. I'm afraid to change because I don't want to lose my coverage. People that tell me this are afraid to change because of health issues or other issues that they might have. I get this all the time. This is not an issue whatsoever, and I'll explain why. What we do for you in this situation is we can submit an application for approval with the new company without canceling your other coverage with the old company. We wouldn't have you cancel your old coverage until your new coverage was approved. For example, we always try to keep policy effective dates on the first of the month. It's easiest to keep track of that way. Let's say you applied for company A on the 3rd of the month. Approval usually takes about a week or so, but more and more companies have automated underwriting and some are approved within minutes. But if you are approved, then we know the new company won't become effective until the 1st of the next month. And that gives you plenty of time to cancel your old policy on the 1st of the next month and stop any automatic bank drafts and not have any gaps in coverages. This would also ensure you not having to pay for 2 Medicare supplements at the same time for 1 month. Another question is, do I get a better rate going directly to the insurance company? And again, the answer is absolutely not. The cost of our service is already built into the price that you pay. Whether you use my free service, which doesn't cost you a dime, by the way, or go directly to the insurance company, the price is the same. The difference when calling an insurance company directly is you will likely not have a person to have a relationship with. What will probably happen is you will get a different representative to talk to each time that you call in. With me, you have direct access to a small business that is able to pay special attention to you and your needs. Also, by calling the company directly, you will not get unbiased advice about the company. I can tell you my experiences with different companies and how they compare with other companies as we are shopping all of the best companies available. I have been doing this for a long time now, and I've weeded out the companies I feel that are undesirable, usually because of poor rate increase history, bad service for my customers, or bad service for me when I need to call in and get some help for my clients. When you contact me, I am able to tell you which company is better, and you get an unbiased comparison of the companies to help you find the exact right one for your needs. So, how do you proceed? Easiest way is to call me at 800-910-3382. If there is a button attached to this video, it will take you to a page with our secure contact form. You can also comment below with any questions. I want to answer all of your questions and help you find the best solution for your specific needs. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. And if this video helped you, can you please do me a big favor? Can you like, comment, and share the video to your friends? This helps more people find my free service that needs my help. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. This will provide you with updates when I put out new important information. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video.